Welcome to Gadget Hub, the best channel where you can see the coolest gadgets ever invented. In this video, we show you how technology has not just been able to take computers from your desks to your palm, but now to your wrist. What's even cooler is that you can now be a superhero, or at least fool everyone to believe so when you create your own webs like Marvel's Spider-Man would. If you've been surfing the internet for ideas to keep your kids engaged, then look no further because the water balloon launcher would not just keep your kids engaged all day, but your whole family too. Or are you seeking something that would help you filter the very air you breathe but not choke you? Something that would act as a protector but still be aesthetic? Then take a seat because you would find all of that and more on this channel. Simply search for Gadget Hub on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you'll be notified anytime we make a new video. That said, let's jump right into the top 8 products on our list today. Cigarette-shaped lighter. The first gadget on our list is the refillable gas lighter. For a long time, lighters have been made and sold in small sizes to make them portable, but this lighter is even more portable. It is made into the shape of a cigarette but feels lighter than an actual cigarette. It can be easily refilled from the butt using a butane can and can be used again and again. The lighters come in packs similar to that of cigarettes, and cigarette users could just pick a lighter and put in a pack of cigarettes instead of carrying the whole pack of cigarettes plus a lighter in their pocket. To light the cigarette, open the cap at the top and pull down the switch to close the cap. Once you are done, flip the cap back and the flame would go off. It could also be used to light other substances like candles or papers. It only weighs 12 grams when filled and can stretch up to 8.5 centimeters in length. Water balloon launcher. This balloon launcher is one that makes use of water and as such is only suitable for outdoor events. It can be used by both adults and children as a fun activity at home or even at a party. The launcher consists of a pouch and handles to aid proper handling of the ropes while the balloons are being launched. The handle is covered with durable latex rubber, making it soft and harmless to the palms. The pouch is covered in thick, soft foam, so one of the gamers can relax in the pouch to boost the speed of the balloon projectile. Or, in the case of a single player, both feet can be placed in the pouch. The water balloon is placed in the pouch on the handle, and when released, it is fired at the target. The tensile qualities of the launchers make them last all year round without getting damaged or causing harm to the gamers. One launcher can be handled by 1 to 3 people depending on the type of launcher purchased and the mode of play. This makes it a wholesome gadget for a family game, barbecue, camps, and children's parties. The launcher comes in packs of either 222 pieces of water balloons or 444 depending on the size. The ropes also come in different colors, so you can purchase a range of colors to add more beauty to the game or help participants identify their launchers easily. Some samples come with LED lights on the launcher to aid vision in darkness. Waterproof phone case. Have you ever wished your phone was waterproof and could go anywhere with you? Well, now your wish is granted. This waterproof phone case from Safe Seed is made like a small bag and can carry any type of phone ranging up to a display of 6.5 inches long. If your phone leaves space for a few items, you could also slip your credit card or a few dollar notes into the pouch. The front of the pouch is transparent and thin enough to allow you to control your phone while in the bag. There is also a transparent window at the back of the pouch so you could use your back camera even when the phone is in the bag. The pouch comes with an armband strap that enables the user to fix the pouch on their arms if they need their hands to be free. It also carries a small hole at the top to allow a tag rope to pass through so it can be hung on the neck alternatively, and a belt hole if you prefer the phone strapped to your waist. On the pouch are 2 clips, one on the left and the other on the right. Rotate the clips to open the pouch before sliding your phone and any other small gadget you'd like to carry inside. Move the clips to the opposite flap and rotate them back to the secure position they were initially in. This 100% waterproof pouch is a great tool for surfers, swimmers, divers, athletes, and anyone who carries their phone while going on a walk or to the gym. The pouch also includes a small provision at the back to allow you to connect your headphones to the phone. Anti-pollution mask. With the increase in air pollution, air masks have become a necessity. This neoprene mask comes with carbon filters and liners that can be changed for sanitary purposes. The filter is designed in 6 layers to effectively block out microorganisms and pollutants in the air from going through the mask. This mask is fit for cyclers, cleaners, and residents of highly polluted areas. The mask has a nose clip at the top to enable adjustment to any face size, so you can purchase any available mask without having issues. They also come in different colors and designs that allow you to express your creativity through your mask. They are suitable for children and adults as they are made of soft, breathable material which eliminates any risk of choking. You don't need to worry about getting a new one soon because the fabrics used are durable and of high quality. Underwater Bionic Fish. This underwater drone is designed in the form of a fish and possesses fish-like features, like a bionic caudal fin and a streamlined body. The drone can be controlled using the recommended app on your mobile device. The camera has an anti-shake feature to help you capture high-quality, steady footage underwater. When the drone is turned on, the bionic caudal finally begins to flap to enable it to float in the water just as a fish would. Surrounded by these features, the fish do not see the drone as a threat and would not try to destroy it. Using the app on your mobile phone, you can control the movement of the drone and the depth to which it would go. It is a great innovation for photographers, videographers, and scientists who study underwater life. Neptune Suite. This gadget is like having a smartphone on your wrist. It allows you to make calls, read text messages, type, track fitness goals, play music, and synchronizes your devices in one place. When connected to your phone, the device gives you access to all of the information on your phone. With an internet connection, you could also surf the web from this device. It has a pocket screen that interacts with the suite. You can control the suite from the screen or vice versa and switch to a bigger interface if you want to. It also makes use of another device called a dongle to turn any monitor you have into a screen for your Neptune Suite. Although this is quite expensive, it's worth every dime. LED Shoelaces. The 7th item on our list is this attractive shoelace. It comes in pairs to be fitted on each pair of shoes you have. The laces are lined with tiny LEDs that blink repeatedly when turned on. The button-like switch at the end of the lace has 3 options: steady, normal flash, and high-speed flash. The option you choose is what determines the pattern the lights would follow. Each lace comes in a single color, so to add variety to your outfit, you could buy 2 or 3 different color laces. Having this pair of shoelaces can make you the center of attraction at any event. The lights shine bright enough to light up your path as you walk, thereby making them a great asset for night walks and parties. They can be bought and fixed on any type of sneaker or shoe, with provision for laces and skateboards as well. Alongside lighting up the road ahead of you, the laces would allow you to be seen while walking in the dark to prevent accidents. The LEDs are made with waterproof material, making them durable and versatile. The batteries last for several hours and can be replaced when they run out because they are not rechargeable. Webshooter Gun. The last gadget on our list is this Webshooter Gun. Anyone who has ever imagined playing Spider-Man in their head can now play it in reality. The gun is designed to shoot spider-like webs when the trigger is pulled. This is made possible with the aid of a Webshooter cobweb stick, which is loaded into the port at one end of the gun. It does not require batteries to function, and the webs can last as long as you want and stick on any surface. The sticks are converted into webs by connecting a vacuum blower port. These guns are very useful for Halloween and while playing pranks on your friends. Don't make the mistake of trying to hang on them because they're not real Spider-Man webs. But you could fool your friends into thinking that your house was attacked by a swarm of spiders. You could also cover any of your properties in the fake webs to make them look like old artifacts. It would take a real spider to know that yours is only a counterfeit. At night, these webs glow, creating beautiful attractions. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel so we know you guys enjoy our content. You could also check out our channel for more interesting videos like this one and share them with your friends.